Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, I'll discuss about some of the operators which can be used between strings or string and integer. So let's begin. And before starting all of this, I'll just remind you what are strings in Python. That's just collection of words enclosed between double or single quotes, and that could contain any integer, character, or your normal alphabets. So now coming to first operator that can be used between strings, which is the addition operator. And in Python you can just add two strings by using the addition sign. So let's take an example, print. Let's take our first string 1, and then another string, say let's 2. So if you want to add both the strings, you have to just write plus sign and then string 2. So it will add both the strings and then print the output. So now here in this you can see that no gap is there between them. So if you want a gap between them, you have to place a gap in here and then write the string. So this is how you can put the space between these strings. So now let's take example by defining variables. Let's say variable a equals to hello, and then b variable equals to, let's say, bye. And let's say you want to define another variable that is the sum of these two variables. So you just write c, the variable which are defining, and then equals to, then just write the first string, that is a, the variable, and then the second variable b. So now the c variable is a sum of both first and second variable. So now if you will print c, it will print the sum of both these strings. And if there are more than two strings, you can do the same. Let's say x equals to anything, another, and then y equals to true, and then z equals to, let's say, false. And let's take another string, let's say xyz equals to, let's say, hi. And now you are defining another variable that is sum of all these strings. So let's say variable name is main equals to the string 1, then the string 2, then the another string, and then the another variable. So now you are adding all these variables which are related to these strings, and if you will add all this and then print main, it will print the sum of all these strings. So that's the addition operator that can be used between strings. And now coming to another operator that can be used between the strings, that is equality operators. I already told you in the previous video that equality operators are used to equate between two values. So let's take an example, print. Let's say one string is hello and another string is same, let's hello. And you can see that these two strings are equal. So if you will press enter, it is showing me true, which means that these strings are equal. And if you will write, let's say print, let's say string 1 and then equality operator, then string 2, it will give us false. So which means that string 1 is not equals to string 2. So this is how equality operator works. Let's take another example. Let's take the example of this a, which we have defined previously. So if we will write print, if a is equals to hello, so you can see it has printed true, which means the variable a which has value hello is equals to this string, this one. So that's why it has printed true. So let's take another example. Let's see if values of a is equal to value of xyz, this one, the xyz. So now you can see it has printed false, which means the value of a is not equals to value of xyz. So like equality operator, there is inequality operator that is not equals to. So let's take an example. So let's take the same example, hello, and then not equals to sign, which is exclamation and then equals to, and then again hello. So now you can see both these strings are equal to each other, but we have put inequality sign between them. So it will show us false because these strings are equal to each other. Let's take another example. Let's say if a is not equals to hi. So you can see the value of a is hello and the string I wrote is hi. So these two values are not equal. So that's why it will print true, that no, the value of a is not equals to hi. So that's how inequality and equality operator works. Now coming to the next operator, that is less than, greater than, less than or equals to, and greater than or equals to, works using the ASCII value. So I'll give you an example. Let's say hello and then string, let's say capital A. This greater than function will compare the ASCII value of the first character of the string, which is h, and the ASCII value of the first character of the second string, which is a. So in this it will just neglect all these terms and then just compare the ASCII value of h and compare the ASCII value of a, and here I'll show you the ASCII value of the both. So print ord of small h. So the ASCII value of small h is 104 and the ASCII value of capital A is 65. So in this the h has ASCII value 104 and a has ASCII value 65. So the string hello has greater value because it just neglects all the other terms except the first term, in this case h and in this case a. So 104 is greater than 65, so it will print true. Let's take another example of less than. So now let me take any string. Let's say it is starting with d, sorry quotes, and then d, and then anything you want to write, and then less than sign, and then let's take this time z, and then the string. So whenever we use these symbols, which is less than, greater than equals to, and less than equals to, it just ignores all the other characters in the string except the first character in this string, that d, and in this string, which is z. So it will calculate the value, ASCII value of d. So you can see the ASCII value of z is greater than ASCII value of d. So it will print true because in this case the value d, the ASCII value of d is smaller than the ASCII value of z. So it has printed 2. So all these four operators just calculate the ASCII value of the first character of strings and then output the result accordingly. And now coming to some of the operators which is used between string and integer. So let's say you have a string hello. So the operator which works between string and the integer is the multiplication operator, which is in Python asterisk. So if you will write hello, then asterisk, and then an integer, let's say 5. So this will print the string hello 5 times. So if you will print it, you can say hello 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 5 times. Similarly, if you will write anything, let's say print and then string, let's say anything, and then asterisk, and then the number, let's say this time 10. So it has printed the string 10 times. So that's how the multiplication between string and integer works in Python. So that's it for this video, and in the next video I'll discuss about some of the functions that are related to strings. So subscribe to channel and like the video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.